Well, Nikki, it may be more than 10 years since Christopher Gent was running Vodafone, but it seems that the company still has an appetite for deal-making and M&A activity. What's the latest?
The latest is that they have confirmed talks with Kabel Deutschland, which is Germany's biggest cable operator by some measures. And this is a persistent rumour in the market. There were talks, I think, between them earlier this year. It leaked. Everyone went away. Now it seems that last week Vodafone put a new tentative opening shot offer in front of Kabel Deutschland, which, as I understand it, has said, well, we're interested, but we want to talk more, i.e. we want more money.
But what's the industrial logic of this for Vodafone? It was some time ago that the mobile companies were trying to get away from fixed line assets. This seems to be the reverse.
It is, but what has happened in the meantime is that consumer gadgetry has moved forward very sharply with smartphones, with tablets, all sorts of new ways of delivering increasingly sophisticated services, data-based. So people are bundling these services together and offering consumers either three-way packages of broadband, mobile, fixed line, and sometimes TV is thrown in, making it a quad play offer. Now, the people who have been quickest to do this have in general been cable operators. They've encroached very quickly into the mobile companies' space. There's some sign of some of the telco incumbents doing it, particularly in southern Europe. Portugal Telecom and Telefónica have been quite quick onto this. But the mobile operators have been rather slow about this, and Vodafone has been it's been a persistent question over Vodafone as to how it was going to respond to what is essentially an encroachment into its mobile service space.
And how big is Kabel Deutschland? Would Vodafone be able to pull this sort of deal off financially?
Oh yes, it's quite a big company. The enterprise value is at today's price something over 10 billion euros, but that's not at all impossible for Vodafone, which has quite a good credit rating already, and it did suggest on a recent analyst call that if it saw the right deal at the right price, and this would be very synergistic for them, it would be prepared to take some change to its rating.
Well, it sounds like there's plenty of talking to be done on this Vodafone Kabel Deutschland deal. Nikki, thank you very much.